choose KFC.
Station is on your left.
We made it. Ooh, that looks actually really nice.
This looks fancy.
It does look fancy. Wow. Guys,
Drive-through.
that's really neat.
Birthplace of KFC.
This is cool. I'm excited we went here.
This is different.
This is different.
There's a lot of people here. That's a good sign.
We're at the original KFC. Come on.
This is so cool, guys.
I'm not getting in the air. I don't think we get in the air.
That's really neat. I wonder if this used to be a gas station or something. Thank you, sir. Wow. This is neat.
We did yesterday. I want to know how good is this chicken that's coming out right now, and was it done right? And years ago, we.
I got this sweet, like, root beer.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. Same thing. It's like a shake, but not like.
It's like a shake.
His bathroom?
This was his motel. This was his motel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. This was his motel. This is so neat.
There's a little fire hydrant right there.
Wow, this is really cool.
This place probably used to be the hotel.
Maybe. I think it used to be the motel, yeah.
Can I have the phone?
Oh, it's just some, that's what it looked like. Oh, wow.
Look, Wyatt.
Is the recipe locked in there? Wow. Oh, those are all the KFC buckets.
Oh, and that dark and that Star Wars cup. Oh, look at that hat. And that mullet. That's right there. What's that? Oh, then we put it up.
Wow.
I love mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Is the finger looking good? That's their slogan.
I'm gonna try the mac and cheese.
You like it?
It's good. I'm licking the cheese off of it. Yeah. I got barbecue.
We got you barbecue because that's your favorite.
I don't know why he likes barbecue on his
Sicily got your ranch.
stuff, and he likes barbecue on his muffin. That's a good combo. He likes barbecue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And don't forget to comment and share. And don't forget to comment the next adventure you want to see us go on. Bye!